Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to practice two cursive letters, the lowercase letter D and the lowercase letter G. Just make sure you have your lined paper, a pen or pencil, and that you're sitting comfortably. Let's begin. Today we have two variations of each letter. You can use each one you prefer. The first one is this, and the second one is this. I start with a leading stroke, then go clockwise to slightly below the middle line, and then go back counterclockwise, make an oval shape, and start this center stroke from the oval shape finish point. I go up and draw the center stroke and draw a down stroke and the exit stroke. Okay, this is our first variation, and the second one, again I start at the baseline, draw a leading stroke, draw a drop shaped stroke, go up and down stroke. Okay, let me do it again. Okay, this one is too small. This is not good. Okay, and the same applies for the letter G. I start at the baseline, go up and curve it clockwise to slightly below the middle line, and then go back counterclockwise and complete the oval shape and go up to the middle line, just like the letter A. Okay, then draw the descender stroke. Make sure you cross the body of the G slightly below the baseline. Okay, so this one is not good because you cross the body just at the baseline. You need to cross it below the baseline. Okay, Let's write it again. Just like this. You start curving the downstroke um, at 1/3 to the bottom line. Okay, you start curving just here. Make a curve and go up to the baseline, slightly above the baseline. Okay, and the second variation is just like the D. Start at the baseline, draw a drop shaped stroke and go up. Okay, you can practice these two letters in words like dig. We had I in previous lessons. Dig. Okay, or you can write dog, or you can do it with the other variation. Depends on you. Which one do you prefer? Okay, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, if it helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practice. Thanks for watching. Have a good time.